new 2021. This is my first real ride on it. I'm calling this my shakedown ride. First dirt ride, and well, hoping that this gets once I get through this, that it will be less snow. Does it get better? Does it get better?
No.
Really?
No.
Really?
Yeah, no. It gets better. It gets only about 2.5 foot deep up there.
Are you serious?
Oh, you're gonna love the ruts.
Ah.
Kick in the ass, brother. You'll have a great time.
Highlights of the girl. Alright, I'm gonna stop right here and give you a quick highlight of what I've done to her. Just a couple things. I'll create another video with the details. Alright, so here she is. New 2021 690 Enduro. So in the comments below, tell me, what do you think of the, see, I went with the green hubs in the front and an orange hub in the rear. See that? Alright, what do you think of the green and orange hub combo? What are your thoughts? Okay, so highlight, a couple real quick highlights. Suspension, I extended it to 300 millimeters. So the stock is 250 millimeters and I extended her to 300 millimeters. So it makes her really, really tall. And then adding to that the seat, I should get over, there's some Jeeps coming. The tall seat from Seat Concepts, that's a tall seat, makes her a really tall bike. Really tall. Like, I'm on my tippy toes. I know now what it feels like for most people when they're riding these tall bikes because I'm on my tippy toes. Couple other highlights. Like I said, I'm not going to do a whole, the wheels. Woody's Wheelworks. So I went with A60 rims, front and rear, and then those are Honda hubs. The A60s, so it's a 1.6 in the front width and 2.15 in the rear. And so I decided to run a 120/100 rear tire than the Golden Tire 333. So that's different. I've never run that kind of tire. And then there were other highlights. The wings exhaust. That's the gist of it. I mean, there's a bunch of other. There's like 60 things I've done to the bike. Cruise control from MC Cruise. I love it. I love it. Cruise control rules and all kinds of electronics and stuff like that. But anyway, that's just a short spiel. I'll do a full video later. Anyway, so this is my dirt bike. My old 690, the 2014, is now enduro. Is now a sumo. Is now a supermoto. So I converted that supermoto, and this is my badass dirt bike. So anyway, that's it. So this is my shakedown ride. I've already had to make several adjustments to things. I did not bring all the tools, so that is, but yeah. All right, so give her a rip. Suspension. Tire pressure is probably a little higher. But it works. Yeah, I think I'm running about 20 up there. Normally I'm going to be running 15. I've got, tubeless. I've got tubeless on here with these wheels. Basically the whole, that's like a 360 degree rim lock. Probably why I do it. it acts like a 360-degree hand lock. But running with low pressure, the tire doesn't slip in the mud. And I've been running it. I run it on the 790. I've traveled all over on the 790. I've put thousands of miles on it. I've run it 90 plus miles an hour. And you know, they say you're not supposed to get that's reliability. I have to say that because otherwise you probably have to do all kinds of certification or something. Certified as street legal. So technically it's not street legal. It's but running down the street 790. weight, or at least the tires that I've been running, the golden tire 722, I think the weight of the 790 is too much for people to 723 is better, so slightly lighter bikes. So what's happening now is I'm tearing tires. My last 3 tires on the 790 all were torn. They're ripped. The carcass of the tire is torn. So I think the weight of the bike is too much for these tires. 690 I'm not expecting. I don't expect probably oh, that is ice. Fuck, that was hard. Ow. Ow. Well, conditions are icy. That's an icy bottom. Holy shit, that was hard. And wet. What do I have in my pocket? Wow. Oh man, just broke some shit. Oh, you witnessed the first. That was her first wreck. That was a bad one. Wow. It was hard. You can see it bent my brake lever. Broke my mirror, which I did not tuck in. Well, thank God for gear, huh? Holy shit. Oh, that was just ice. Ice, ice. Baby. Gear, baby. Knee pads. Oh. Knee pads. Helmet. Jacket. All did their job. How's the bike working? And the bike still works. Question. Are you still going?